So I am going to be installing this custom offsets decal. I had one of these on my last truck and I'm just now deciding to put one back on this one, so just going to do a quick rundown on how to install a decal. They have two different ways you can do it. You could do it, I say, the soap and water method, to where you spray it or whatever on the surface that you're getting ready to put the decal on, to where you can maneuver it before it sticks and you just squeegee everything out. Or you could just not use that, you just put it on the surface, but you would have to be careful because it'll leave a lot of bubbles if you do that. But I guess I'll do it the soap and water method, except I don't like to use soap and water anymore because I have gotten lazy and I don't feel like mixing soap and water together, so I'm just going to use Windex. That's how I installed every decal on this truck. Works the same way. Windex, I'm just going to cover that whole area with it, peel it off, slap it on. Now when you peel it, there's the clear backing right there, and the paper, you just pull it all the way off. That's useless to you. You leave the clear backing on and you just slap it over the windshield right there, or whatever surface you want to put it on. Alright, now got it on, sprayed the Windex first, put it on top. Now you just squeegee all the bubbles in the Windex out. And I just want to say one thing to custom offsets, that backing, I don't know why y'all went with this plastic shit. Because I know the last time I ordered one, way back in 2017, y'all weren't using this material. It was way easy to peel off. This stuff sticks to the actual letters. You gotta take your time pulling this off. But anyway, you take your time and you can get it off. It's annoying as hell though. But I'm gonna finish squeegeeing all this out, let it dry a little bit, pull it off from the backing, and it should be on. I like to slide my hand down like this to do it. I've seen it makes it easier and it stops shit from popping up. Could have did it fast if I would have let it dry more, but I don't have that kind of time. But so far so good. Oh, my hand kind of slipped. And the T is trying to come up a little bit, so when that happens, you just squeegee back on like so, and just be more careful with that spot the next time you try to pull and see. Well, there's shit. There we go. There we go. There we go. And here is the finished product. That view of it from the inside of the truck is almost nostalgic to me, because that's the exact same spot I had on my last truck. Look at that. Got a new subscriber as I'm recording this. Shout out to y'all though. I appreciate it. But while I'm at it, I bought this wire loom to put around the bug shield that's on top of my hood right now. Because all the wires are exposed, I gotta protect it with this. So, but yeah, all I'm really doing is just this wire right here for the bug shield. Just guiding the wire through the wire loom, hooking it up through there. Just has a little bit of added protection. Alright, I'm all done with it. I say that looks very much so way more clean than what I had it. Looks a lot more factory. Yep. Close good. Right with the hood. Lift a little bit of slack so it can stretch. Once it's all the way up. Yeah, that'll work. But yeah, wire loom. We got different sizes. Pick this up on Amazon, $5 to $10 depending on who's selling it. Wrap your wires up, keep them safe. Won't take you any time at all, dude. Right. Oh, right. Alright, I'm done with all that. So I'll just stand back and see how it looks. Guess that concludes that little quick DIY. Quick look at the decal. Like it. See if I can go back here and find this old man. Hey. Come on, old man. You YouTube famous now. How them gray hairs you get. Blacked out. Where you getting this energy from? Where you getting this energy from, man? Where you getting this energy from? Huh? Where you going, Blacktop? all this up.